Ben 10, Secret of the Omnitrix. Tonight, we're at last gonna draw the first alien that finally got his first appearance on the first episode for Ben 10. I am bringing the heat. Tonight, we're gonna draw Heatblast. Okay, next. Here's the Omnitrix on his chest. If you thought Classic Heatblast was strong, you should check out Classic Forearms, which I'll draw soon. Alexa, unpause. Right, Alexa, lower volume. Alexa, lower volume. Now he draws fists of fire. Fire Fist. Remember that from Deadpool 2? I hear there's gonna be a sequel next year. Deadpool's never gonna stop evolving. Everyone loves Heatblast. Remember Accelerate? Here's his hands. And finished. That is how you draw a Heat Blast. One of the classic aliens, now completed. Huzzah! Consider this one my gift to you. And I promise there will be more aliens like this coming their way. Stegosaurus, see you later, boys. Good night.